this is an overview of the ScanReview program that we're going to use to allow you to review the records that have been scanned during a day that haven't been exported yet. And we're going to go to Windows Explorer. There isn't a shortcut on the desktop, but there can be, just depending on how you want to use it. But the program itself is located on the C drive under my computer in the FIFOR-Scan folder. In a folder called ScanReview. And here's our executable, and we'll just open it up. And it basically is a grid view that contains all the records since the last export that have been scanned through the system. Now, having these records in the grid view, what we're able to do is to select an individual record and to delete it, which pops up, of course, confirmation to make sure you want to delete it, and you say OK, and that takes the record out of the system. It also allows you to select multiple records in adjacent rows or single records, and you can delete, if you select them in multiples, you can delete all those rows at once. And also, one other option we have is to select an individual row and then hold the Control key down and select other individual rows that aren't adjacent to one another and delete all of those at the same time. Now, the other button that we haven't talked about yet is the refresh button, and we're going to pull up the FIFOR-Scan program right here and just demonstrate how the refresh button works using the FIFOR-Scan program as you normally would. So now you've scanned a new record into the database, and we can flip back over to the ScanReview program and hit the refresh button, and when we do that, that new record shows up at the bottom of the list. Now, of course, you can do multiple records at once and scan those in and then review it, but this would allow you to go ahead and review the records that would be replacing the ones that were in error that you had deleted. And that's it.